Notice to all priests of the Archdiocese. You are respectfully invited to gather as one presbyteral family to concelebrate the Holy Mass offered for the repose of the soul of our beloved brother priest, Father Louis Sarnelli. On Monday, the 15th of December, 5 p.m., at Pa'u Sefo Pa'u Funeral Home, Ulumototua. As a sign of our unity in the one priesthood of Christ and our fraternal support, all priests are kindly requested to bring their help and purple stole. May our shared prayer commend our brother to the infinite mercy of God and strengthen us in hope of the resurrection. With fraternal regards in Christ, signed by the Chancery Office.